So we're going to install the Panduit here that goes to the upper limit switch. And so you'll grab one of the, I do believe it's 5 1/4 inch pieces of Panduit. Yeah, 2 3/8 for regular. There you go. And then you want to match up the holes where everything's at. So you don't want it too close to the limit switch, and you don't want it too close to the power switch holes. So there's one way it could go on, and here's another way. And so this is the direction we'll put it on. So I just get the electric drill motor, and it'll initially hold the with a M5x8. It'll initially hold it on there, the Panduit, and then we're going to get T-nuts, and you're going to put the T-nut with the nipple out. So I get a pair of needle nose, torque it on there. Do the same thing for the other one. And that's the installation of the upper limit switch Panduit.